Today is Sunday, June 29th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, fully restored, original vintage AM/FM DELCO stereo radio. This supports the 8-track through the pivot door in the front. Okay, we'll be testing it to a vintage 8-track tape that I have. This unit has been augmented with Bluetooth, so we'll be playing songs from my cell phone, which is an Android-based phone, but any Bluetooth-enabled device will support this. So the unit has been completely restored. All of the soldering joints fully inspected, reinforced where necessary. All the capacitors changed. The case has been taken down to bare metal and climatized with corrosion-resistant surface treatment. And we are connected to 4 10-ohm impedance speakers. Okay. Whenever the unit is energized, it must be connected to all 4 speakers, and all 4 speakers must be grounded to the radio, and all 4 speakers must be 10-ohm, just as identified in the cover label. Okay, so with that out of the way, I just want to emphasize that 10-ohm speakers are not 8-ohm, 6-ohm, or modern 4-ohm speakers, but 10-ohm impedance. Anything other than that will cause catastrophic failure to the radio by blowing the transistors, the internal ceramic resistor fuses, and perhaps motherboard, top and bottom motherboard errors as well, anomalies. So we're going to go ahead and connect the unit to power, and we're going to go ahead and energize it.
May vary, cannot be combined with
We're in FM mode. I have some pre-selected channels.
Doesn't matter where in the world you are. When
No concert that's a week from yesterday,
and the push button.
next Saturday.
Okay, and I'm testing the crisscross fading. Crisscross fader works excellent. We have excellent fidelity. I'll go ahead and push it to AM mode.
Teams to compensate are going to have unlimited challenges today.
Okay, with AM mode, obviously, the reception is always dependent on the antenna, whereas FM does not have the same reliance on the antenna that the AM does. So here in my garage, I have limited access to AM channels in terms of the clarity and fidelity. So we'll go back to FM mode now. So we've tested the AM and FM modality. Now we're going to go ahead and test the Bluetooth. So I have a pre-selected channel in my FM mode. I'm going to pick Smooth from Carlos Santana. Now I'll go ahead and select Painted Black from the Rolling Stones. Now I've gone ahead and selected Whiter Shade of Pale from Poco Harem, one of my favorites. I'm going to go ahead and pause that. So we've tested the AM and FM modalities. We've tested the Bluetooth. Last thing remaining is the 8-track tape, where we push it in right through the cover. Hotel California by the Eagles. We change tracks by pushing in the button. and we push out the button and the track tape auto ejects, and that's the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado fully restored AM/FM original vintage Delco stereo radio with 8-track and Bluetooth augmentation. This will be going to my friend Jim in California. As soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. Today is July 29th. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Cadillac Eldorados from 1967 through 1978. Over 375,000 parts from 1959 through 1976. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac